students, hope you all are safe and sound. This lecture is for grade 5th. I am going to start today chapter 3, MS Word and its graphics. So let us start. MS Word. MS Word is Microsoft Office Word that we already studied in chapter 2. Okay. MS Word is an application in Microsoft Office that helps you to edit documents, to write documents. Okay. So today we will going to discuss about introduction to MS Word and its tools, clip art, shapes, smart art and word art. So what is Microsoft Office Word and what we are going to study in this chapter? Microsoft Office Word is a very popular word processing program. Word processing program means in which you can edit the documents, you can type the documents, right? And it gives you variety of tools to make your document attractive. Now it gives you many tools that will make your document attractive. Now in Microsoft Office Word, see, you can make your document presentable, okay? So that by adding different options, you can add many things like picture, clip art, smart art, etc. So our first tool is clip art. What is clip art? It is a collection of pictures, illustrations, graphics and images that can be directly added to your document. Okay, it is a collection of pictures, means in clip art you will find an option where you will get collection of pictures. Illustration means that illustrate something, that define something. Okay, images means pictures again, and graphics again means in the form of cartoons that can be added to your document. I will explain all the options now, and later on I will show you in the Microsoft Office Word. Okay, so try to understand what the option means. Next we have shapes. What is shape? Circle, triangle, okay, line, these all are shapes, right? So shape is an element of art that we can make with the help of an art, and you can add large number of lines, boxes, balloons and other shapes into your document. Next we have smart art. Now smart means an option that makes your document, very attractive, right? In this what you get, it is a very good option, a great option, in that you can add the diagrams. Okay, sometimes we need to show the topic using some diagrams, so smart art helps you to do so. It will helps you to quickly make the diagram that are editable means you can edit something. Edit means make changes. Okay, it also gives you a visual representation of your information. Visual means that you can see information, right? Then we have word art. Word art again, it is an amazing option, and it is used to turn any text into a fancy text. Fancy text means a decorative, beautiful text. Okay, and it has predefined means already it has some text formatting options. You need not to make your own. It has already defined means already there, present, right? So these all options we will discuss today. Now I will open the Word and I will show you how we can add these. So here is my Word. I have opened the Word. Now I will show you first clip art. For all these options you have to go to Insert tab. Okay, so we will click on Insert tab. Then we will go to Illustrations group. In Illustrations group there is an option of clip art. Click clip art. Once you will click, you will get a window in the extreme right. So in that window, what all is given? Search for means what you want to search for in clip art, which picture you want to search, which illustration you want to search. Okay, where to search, Okay, in particular selected collections or everywhere. I will select everywhere. Then media should be, results should be all media file type, means it should be an image type. Okay, media file type. So let me search for computer. Okay, let us say go. Now once you say go, you will get these all collection of pictures related to computer. Can you see all these all pictures are related to computer, right? So but these are present here. I want it to add into my document here. So what I will do, whichever picture I like, I will do double click on the same and I will get the same. So this is the way to add a picture in clipart. Add a clipart. Okay, you can do many changes with clipart also, right? And you can resize it, you can make it bigger or smaller depending on what is your requirement, right? So this is, I have added a clipart. Next we have insert. Again we will go to insert tab, shapes. Now once you select shape, you will get many options of shape. Recently used shapes, lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts, stars and banners. These all are the shapes you can add. Very simple to add. Double click and you will get the same. Okay, you can drag and drop anywhere, you can resize it according to your wish. So this is called adding shapes, right? You can add more than one shape also. It is not important to add only one shape, you can add many more shapes. I want to add an arrow, so I'll add an arrow, right? If you do single click, then you have to draw it, means drag it, plus sign will come. If you do double click, then directly it will come on your window, right? Okay, next we have, next option was smart art. Okay, so we are going to add smart art. Again insert, please don't forget that whenever you want to add something, you have to go to insert tab, right? Then click smart art. These all are the options. See, I've told you smart art is to make your document more presentable. Suppose I'm making a cycle, water cycle I want to draw on the Microsoft Office Word. To make a cycle, I need that diagram of a cycle. So from where I will choose, I will go to smart art, I will click on cycle and I will click on the basic diagram. Now this is the basic diagram of a cycle. Now you can add anything here. Okay, if you want to make the food chain, or if you want to make anything that involves a cycle, you can add, you can write anything here, right? Okay, so this is called as smart art. You can add and you can make your diagrams very quickly and easily, right? Now next we have, you can change colors of smart art. There are many more options, I'll tell you later on. Then we have insert, again word art. Word art means the different way of writing, right? Beautiful way of writing. Now see, once I click, these all are predefined styles. These all are the styles that are already given in my computer. So whichever style I like, I will choose and it will come directly. Okay, suppose I like this, I will double click your text here. Now what you want to write with that style, you can type here, I want to write MS Word. Okay, then I will say okay. Once you do okay, it will come right on your MS Word screen. Clear? So this was all about today's lecture.